break, call Sun City.
Thank you for choosing Sun City Appliance Repair. Our number one goal is to keep our customers happy. With discounts for senior citizens, single mothers and fathers, as well as military personnel, Sun City Appliance Repair is your one and only go-to appliance repair company. We know what it takes to keep you happy, and that's what we plan to do. So, if an appliance breaks, you know who to call. Sun City Appliance Repair. 702-574-3899. Again, it's 702-574-3899. Thank you very much and have a sunny day.